guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Q&A. I'll be answering some of your questions that you asked me on my Instagram account. मैंने सोचा मैं Q&A करती हूँ ताकि आप लोग मेरे लाइफ अपडेट के बारे में जानो और बहुत कुछ जानो मेरे लाइफ पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में, a lot of things. So before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you haven't yet. Okay, I did get a lot of interesting questions. Let's get started. How did you handle the ups and downs during your fitness journey? Love you. Love you too. There were no ups in the start. मैंने अपने previous YouTube video में already share किया हुआ है. That was my fitness journey. When I was a chubby girl, I was not aware of which diet to follow और which workouts to do because मेरे पास कोई help करने के लिए नहीं था. मैं सिर्फ hours of cardio करती थी and I used to starve myself. उसकी वजह से मुझे बहुत भूख लगती थी after a certain period of time. So I used to overeat. So that was the reason मैं weight lose कर ही नहीं पा रही थी, मैं fluctuate कर रही थी. So I used to feel low because of all these stuff. How did I handle it? I was very patient. Patience is the key. I realized that if it's a long-term goal, you have to be patient with it. मुझे पता था कि ये long term goal है and I knew that इस चीज को time लगने वाला है. And of course, you have to fall in love with the process. I do the workout because I love working out, not because someone is pressurizing me or someone is forcing me to do it or to prove to the audience that oh my god, see, I'm into fitness. I'm doing it because I love to do it. You have to be patient and you have to fall in love with the process. Tell us an embarrassing and funny childhood story. Okay, this is very embarrassing. So I think I was 4 or 5 years old and मैं और मेरी बहन सेम स्कूल में जाते थे and my dad used to drop us to our school in our car. तो बचपन में नहीं एक्चुअली मैं अभी भी एक्साइट ही हो जाती हूँ. मुझे फ्रंट सीट में बैठने का बहुत शौक है तो मैंने सोचा कि मेरी बहन बैठे उससे पहले मैं भाग कर चली जाऊँ और मैं बैठ जाऊँ. So मैं इतनी एक्साइटेड हो गई थी to just go and sit in the front seat. Then I forgot to wear my underwear and my shoes. I just went barefoot. He dropped us to the school and he did not realize it, and then later he saw and he's like, where's your shoe? At that moment I told him I did not even wear my underwear. This is very embarrassing. So he dropped my sister at the school and then he drove me back to my house and then I wore my shoe and my underwear and then got back to my school. So yeah, this was the story. Are you single? Are you dating anyone currently? No, I'm not dating anyone currently. आप मुझे रिश्ता भेज सकते हो मेरे घर पे. मेरी मॉम बहुत खुश होगी ये सुनकर. I'm kidding. What is that one thing you can't leave home without? People who know me know how important lip balm is to me. मेरा ये जो लिप बाम है हर जगह कैरी करती रहती हूँ. मैं पूरा टाइम अपने साथ लेके घूमती हूँ. इवन व्हेन आई गो टू अ जिम वेयर द वॉशरूम इज टू फार अवे तो मैं ये वर्कआउट के टाइम पे लेकर घूमती हूँ. इट जस्ट गेट्स ड्राई टू फास्ट एंड आई ईट माई ओन लिपस्टिक. I know this sounds very stupid, but I do that and I really need lip balm on my lips all the time. This is very important to me. So these two questions are kind of similar, so I thought I'll just answer them in one go. Who is the closest person in your life that you tell him or her everything? Throughout your journey, who has been your constant? So I'm a kind of person who does not share every detail with my close ones or with my family. जब तक मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं लगता या it gets too much, तब तक मैं शेयर नहीं करती हूँ चीज़ें. A person who has been constantly supporting me is my sister. She's my elder sister Dimpy. In fact, YouTube पे आने का decision भी उसका था. She told me to just use this platform to create content. She knows how important content creation is for me, so she supports me in and out. That's my go-to person. How do you react or respond to weird DMs you get from random people? Simple, I avoid it. मुझे एक बार एक्चुअली किसी का शादी का बायोडेटा मिला था और मुझे उससे ईमेल किया था एंड दैट वाज सो फनी एंड इट वाज सो वियर्ड. सेकंड टाइम भी उसने मुझे ईमेल किया saying that I would want to meet you at this cafe, be there. Like, why would someone email me that? Like, I'll be like, hey buddy, I'll see you there. I generally prefer avoiding it. Okay, this is a good question. What was that one reason made you to take a decision to change your lifestyle? continue of the same question. Was it relationship, criticism, or to change it for your self motivation? One thing that changed or got me into fitness were rejections. Back then, when I was chubby, I did get a lot of rejections by guys. Particularly, I think that was because of my weight. उस टाइम पे कॉलेज में फैशन शो होते थे, मुझे रिजेक्ट कर देते थे because I was this short girl who was very chubby. Fashion shows require tall or lean girls, and I did not fit into the criteria. Also, I used to give a lot of ad auditions. The casting director used to not even take my auditions. They used to tell me on my face that मैडम आप फिट नहीं होते हो because हमको थोड़ी लीन लड़कियाँ चाहिए and आपको वेट कम करने की ज़रूरत है. Yeah, I did get rejected a lot of times. Rejection lead me to self-motivation, and the moment I realized that, I started working on my fitness journey. How do you decide what content to create? मैं हमेशा ऑडियंस के पर्सपेक्टिव से कंटेंट बनाती हूँ. आई ऑलवेज सी व्हाट द ऑडियंस आर लाइकिंग और नॉट. मैं ट्रांजिशन रील्स बनाती हूँ, डांस. आई मेक कंटेंट विथ माई मदर एज वेल सो दैट दे कनेक्ट with that more. I try to give out information regarding my fitness as well. So I see which kind of videos they react more to. Accordingly, I make more of those kind of content. The last thing that made you cry. Just recently, I created a video and I posted on Instagram. मुझे actually 4 या 5 घंटे लगे उस वीडियो को एडिट करने में. मुझे सिर्फ 400 लाइक्स मिली उसमें. I mean, मैंने इतनी मेहनत की है उस वीडियो में और मुझे सिर्फ 400 लाइक्स मिली. You guys are not even subscribing to my channel. This is ridiculous. This makes me cry. मैं थोड़ा सा एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ बट नहीं, आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेक दिस फुटेज. थोड़ा सा ड्रामा करना इज इम्पोर्टेंट. बट प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, प्लीज लाइक माई वीडियोज. मुझे इतनी मेहनत लगती है चीज़ें करने के लिए. इट हर्ट्स मी. Drop your skincare routine, please. I adore you and you know I love you the most. I love you too. You guys are so cute. I got a lot of these kind of questions. You know, your beauty secret, your glowing skin. Drop your skincare routine. I'm not sure if I should make a YouTube video on this or not. Drop in the comment section and let me know. Because to be honest, मैं इतना कुछ स्किन पे लगाती नहीं हूँ, तो वो बहुत छोटा वीडियो बनेगा अगर बनेगा तो. मैं थोड़ा बहुत जो भी लगाती हूँ, क्रीम्स और वट एवर इट इज, या फिर मैं घर का जो भी बेसन और समथिंग लगाती हूँ, आई कैन पुट आउट दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन इफ यू वॉन्ट. आई ड्रिंक अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. And of course, my genes are good. It's in my hereditary, which is the reason I have a clear skin or the glowing skin that you say. So yeah, if you want me to put a video, please do let me know. This comes to the end of our video. Thank you so much for your interesting questions. मुझे बहुत मजा आया ये वीडियो बनाने में and I really like answering you guys. I hope I was a bit entertaining at least. Please like this video, comment on it, share with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel. It will mean so much to me. And I will see you next week with a new video. Till then, bye bye.